COVID hlauhawm zawk virus muchuak. COVID hlauhawm zawk Nipa Virus in Mumbai tuam mek mi pani thi to in mi jasari in he ri hian vaih mek kan thla alamong na sa mai sia nikhat thilthu kan in to po ton zung thei to sia lo in rin loka lo in ven loka tul khopang le tuna Englisha ngai thlu tan.
Authorities in southern India are rushing to manage an outbreak of the deadly Nipa virus. 2 people have died. Hundreds are being tested as potential contacts. Salima Shivji is in Mumbai with the details.
Officials are on alert and taking precautions in the southern Indian state of Kerala because of this Nipa virus outbreak, particularly in the Kozhikode district. Some schools are closed, banks as well as government offices. Shops are shuttered and the streets are a bit empty. People are a little nervous, and not just because of the loss to business, says this shopkeeper. After COVID, now we have this new virus and everything is shut again, he says. The Nipa virus spread through contact with fluids of infected bats, pigs, or people is rare but has a head. Previous outbreaks do paint a scary picture. During the first one 5 years ago, 21 out of 23 infected people died because of the Nipa virus. Now, authorities say that in this case, they are taking every precaution possible. Kerala's health minister says all of the close contacts of those infected are being tracked and they are in isolation. At least 700 people have been confirmed and identified as people who have had some sort of contact with either the victims or those who are infected, and they are being tested for this virus. Police are monitoring vehicles at checkpoints, and the state has set up containment zones in the district where the infections are clustered. The federal government is also rushing in help, sending in experts to help with monitoring the spread of the virus as well as with contact tracing, while infectious disease specialists are working to study the strain of this virus known to be so deadly, with the state on high alert. Salima Shivji, CBC News, Mumbai.